Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay, and today we'll be learning Kout Ba by WID. It's a song that was released, the video was released about a month ago. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. So what's your chord progression? Now the first chord I hear is this. F, then C, then G, then A. So basically it's in the key of C. So we're playing in C major. And what's your chord progression? I'm hearing it start on the 4, which is F, then it goes to the C, then it goes to the G, then it goes to the A. So it's 4, 5, 6. And so the solo itself, it starts on the 4, which is F, because the chord progression starts on the 4. So how does the solo go again, guys? Actually, the solo starts literally on the A minor. So you're going to be playing with notes from the A minor, which is what? So it's E, D, E, D, C, A. That's your A minor part. And once you hit this F, you're on the F, you're on the 4. He's playing with an F major 7 here. And once you hit this C, you'll be on the C. So it's A, F, C. Then I hear so it's a walk down from G to D, because you were basically on the G chord, and on the G chord you walk down from G to D. And then he hits G again and hits C, because he's back on the A. And I hear him repeat the same intro basically. But this time he goes. So he goes, which is G, A, G, D. Then the G chord, then the A chord. So let's do it again. So that's pretty much the solo in a nutshell, guys. And the second part, so I hear him do this. There's a lesson where I teach you guys the 7-1, how that can be a passing chord in whatever Guyad song. So he basically does E, G, C, D, C. And then he goes to F, G, C, D, C. So, and then I see him do. So that's really D and G. And he continues with it. And he ends with a G, C. So it's pretty simple. It's a simple solo. But guys, one thing to keep in mind is your key and your chord progression. Those are really the only two things you need to know. Once you have the chord progression down pat, it'll be easy to figure out what notes you should hit. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and play the progression. F, C, G, A. So if it was up to you to solo, do your own kind of solo in that song, you can come up with whatever. So you know you're going to F, so you could go. And then you're going to basically C. And then you could do something like this because you're going to the G. And then you go, so you're going to the A. So you could, so you can just come up with whatever you want if you're playing live with this song, as long as you know your chord progressions. So guys, this is Roland Blazay. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.